Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today is step 8 or the final step of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So I have my Rubik's Cube here and it's all mixed up. Well, not really at all. So if you're up to step 8, congratulations, you've only got one more step. And for me, this actually came quite easy. This was one of the first algorithms I memorized, because you're doing mostly the same moves. So yeah, so first of all, you're gonna find this, you're gonna align it, then it should look like this: 1, 2, 3. So what we do, I'm gonna turn this to the back. This is going to be my back. So let me take 1 second to set this up. Okay, I've all got it set up. So what you're going to do, my orange is the back. It doesn't matter what color it is, as long as the whole color is at the back. You're going to do the front twice. And by the way, the moves are going to be in this corner. And yeah, so do the front times 2. Hold on. Okay. Then the top to the right down, the left down, front twice, right up, left up, top to the right, the front face twice, and it should have it all solved. Now, if it isn't, just do that algorithm again. But if it's not solving, you might have to resolve the whole thing again, just so you know. So let me just do that again. Okay, so I might do it like this: front twice, top to the right, right down, left down, front twice, right up, left up, top to the right twice, but it might not actually be fully solved. So you just do it again: front twice, top to the right, right down, left down, front face twice, right up, left up, top to the right, and the front face twice. And there you go. That's what a drunk cat looks like. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.